just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. So here's a few concepts I decided to do with the cups. And these, not all the cups, just some of them, because I do have a whole another box of cups. So with this one, I took the high bath bombs that I got at Walmart, and I placed them on top of the cups, along with the keychains in behind them, which I'll show you in just a minute. I wanted to include some boys too, so I did do a Superman with the XOXO y'all. We've got Tweety Bird and Daffy Duck. Inside the cups, I placed some candy, cotton candy as well, and some pretzels. And in the boys' cup, I included a Superman fruit snack. So on the boys' cup, I put on the back of the boys' cup, I used the bear. And then on the other two cups, I have the little fruit keychains. And this is a cute little concept, grab and go, for the kiddos. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.